Hello kids, welcome back to Animals Made Easy. Today we are going to learn about a big and strong animal. Let's learn about a bear. A bear is an animal. A bear is a living thing. Bears are big wild animals. They have 4 strong legs and a large body. Bears have thick fur on their bodies. Bears live in forests, mountains, and cold places. Some bears live in snowy areas. Other bears live in green forests. Bears like quiet places. Bears eat many kinds of food. Some bears eat plants, fruits, and honey. Some bears eat fish and meat. Bears like to eat a lot of food. Bears are very strong animals. They can climb trees. They can also swim very well. Bears use their strong paws to catch food. Bears sleep for a long time in winter. This long sleep is called hibernation. They rest in caves or small homes. Bears usually like to live alone. They walk slowly but can run fast when needed. Bears are smart animals. Baby bears are called cubs. Cubs are small and cute. They stay close to their mother. The mother bear protects her cubs. Bears make sounds like growls. They use sounds to talk to other bears. Bears are important animals in nature. We should respect and protect bears. Now you know what a bear is. A bear is big, strong, and interesting. Thank you for watching Animals Made Easy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.